Hello everyone, my name is Swati. I am studying BCA in Interface College of Computer Application. Today I am doing today I'm, my topic is software and its types. Now I will explain about a software and its types. Before that, I'll go back of software. Why we use software and which components we use software in computer system component. We use four types: one hardware, software, data, and data information and user. In these four, I am explaining about software. Now, software. Software is a set of instruction data or programs used to operate computers and execute a specific task. Software is a computer program written using some computer programming language to operate the computers. Software tells the hardware what to do. User can make a copies in this software. Unlike hardware, we can't touch the softwares the affected by computer viruses. Examples for softwares: operating system, and computer games and NUDI on office packages. Characteristics of software. First one, functionality, reliability, usability, efficiency, maintainability, and portability. Now I will explain the characteristics of software are functionality. Functionality means is nothing but it refers to the degree of a performance of the software against its intended purpose. Reliability. And now reliability means it refers to the ability of the software to provide desired functionality under the given conditions. Now usability, I will explain. Usability is nothing but it refers to the extent to which the software can be used with the case. Next, efficiency. Efficiency, it refers to the it refers to the ability of the software and we system resources in the most efficiency manner. And maintainability, it refers to the cases within which modification can be made in the software system to extend the function to improve the correct errors. Last characteristics of software is portability. Portability means it refers to the case with which software developers can transfer software one platform to another without any changes. Software are the classified into below two types as below: system software and application software. In software there are two types: system software and application software. Now I will explain system software. System software means it is a type of computer program that is designed to control and work with a computer hardware to, to run a computer's hardware and application programs. These are commonly prepared by the computer manufacturer. System software is a that modifies a platform to other software areas. This software consists the program written in a low-level language used to interact with a hardware at a very basic level. So, system software services as a interface between hardware and the end users. Example for system software is Microsoft Windows DOS. The most important of features of system software include closeness of the system, fast speed, difficult to manipulate, written in high level language, difficult to design. These are the most important features of system software. Some example of some software systems are, these are the example for software systems like Word, Excel, Chrome, Gmail, and PowerPoint, Excel. These are the some examples for system software. And the types of computer software. In computer, what are the softwares are there? Here they are. Now I explain application software. An application is any program to group of a program that is designed for end users. It is generally a program or a collection of program used by the users. It is a type of software written by the user to perform a particular task like drawing a picture, playing a computer games. It can be called application or simply or app. Examples for application software are Paint, Nudi, and Office Package, etc. Various examples of application software are as follows. Word processing software, MS Word, Autumn. Entertainment software, TikTok, YouTube. Entertainment software we use in TikTok and YouTube. Word processing software we use in MS Word and Autumn. Spreadsheet software we use in MS Excel, and business software we use in Tally, Tax Office. Educational software we use in Byju's, Global Shi- Global Shiksha. Some example for application software are, these are the some example for application software like code blocks, Facebook, Skype, WhatsApp, Instagram. These are some of the example for application software. These are also. Now we'll explain here system software and application software. Now we'll show a difference between system software and application software. System software System software is used for operating computer hardware. System software means it is a user to operating a computer hardware. System software are installed on the computer when operating system is installed. In generally, the user does not interact with the system software because it works in background. System software can run independently. Independently. Some examples for system software are compiler, driver, assembler, debugger, etc. And application software is used for user to perform a specific task. Application software are installed according to the user requirement. In generally, the user interacts with the application softwares. Application software can't run independently. Some examples for application software are word processor, web processor, media player, etc. Thank you.